Okay, I want to continue the form attributes and talk about multiple attributes. This attribute added in HTML5. The multiple attribute is a Boolean attribute. When present, it specifies that the user is allowed to enter more than one value in input element. The multiple attribute works with the following input type: email and file. For example, I create another form and select images. Input type file and set name images. Save, set break line, choose file. I want select 3 images. I can just one file. Why? Because I should use multiple attributes. Save, refresh, click on choose file, and I can select 3 images. Another attribute that added in HTML5 is a placeholder. The placeholder attribute specifies a hint that describes the expected value of an input field. The hint is displayed in the input field before the user enters a value. Placeholder attributes works with the following input types: text, search, URL, telephone, email, and password. For example, input type text, text, and set name first name. If I set value to Html5, save, refresh, I should delete Html5 and type another name, for example John. Okay, if I use placeholder and set name, save, refresh, if I click here and type my name, for example Html5, the name is disappear. Fantastic. The other attribute that is added in HTML5 is required attribute. The required attribute is a Boolean attribute. When present, it specifies that an input field must be filled out before submitting the form. The required attribute works with text, search, URL, telephone, email, password, data picker, number, checkbox, radio, and file. For example, I create a form and username input type text, set name, username, and input type submit. Save, refresh. If I don't type anything and click submit, submit it. I said required. Save it, refresh. Now if I click submit, check it, require, I should required, sorry for spelling. Refresh, click on submit and show me an error. Please fill out this field. Should type Alt F and submit it. Okay. The other attribute is step attribute. The step attribute specifies the legal number intervals for an input element. For example, I create another form and set input type number and set name points. If I set a step 2, 3, legal numbers could be -3, 0, 3, 6, and etc. Save, refresh. 3, 6, -3, 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, and etc. That is step. Fantastic. Please practice on attributes and create a form for yourself. If you have any questions,